The great war of the Mahabharata took place in a vast region called Kurukshetra. Today, it is located in the Indian state of Haryana. Since it is also a sacred pilgrimage site, it is called Dharmakshetra. The word kshetra commonly means field. The word kuru also means to do, to act. Thus, Kurukshetra can also be understood as the field of action or a place where one works. And what is the place where we work? It is our own body. Later, in the 13th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, this very body is described as Kshetra. But this Kshetra, that is the body, exists in order to perform only right actions. That which is right is called Dharma. To perform only right actions with this body is Karma Yoga. But if we are to do only the right, we must destroy wrong understandings and wrong habits. The battle is for that.